Hey, I'm Gerald. This is Terry. This is Shane. We're three brothers together. Anytime you're replacing a water heater, the first step is to turn off the power to panel box and then shut off the water to the water heater. Draining a water heater can be quite a chore, but a simple garden hose run to the outside will be more than sufficient to drain the tank so that you can move it. You don't never wire up anything without wire nuts. Okay, flip that breaker back on. Let's make sure we're hit over to the right thing. Turn it on. Okay, we've killed it. It was reading 240. So, we've definitely killed the juice. That's good. We don't want to get shocked here. When replacing a water heater, it's always a good idea to replace the overflow pan too. We decided that the old water heater had been installed hard plumbed in with copper, and that when we went back, we were going to back with PEX, shark bites, and a flexible hose braided to make this easier to do the next time that the water heater has to be replaced. remember, any faulty wiring, as we have done here, you need to do this too. Be sure that you make those repairs and make everything look the way it should look, so that the water heater will always be safe and you'll be protected. Remember to check the temperature setting on the upper and lower thermostats. You can do that by removing the upper panel, one screw, and the insulation, and the safety cover over top of the thermostat. There is a slotted screw there, or slotted portion of it, that allows you to turn that temperature up or down. Normally they're set right around 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius. Remember, these are preset to prevent scalding, so you be careful before you adjust that temperature on the upper and lower thermostat controls on your water heater. Again, you want to remember to always fill that tank before you flip that breaker in that panel box too. Be sure the water heater is full. Pretty good day. It's better than sitting at home. If you enjoyed any of this, if you're learning anything, subscribe. Like our channel.
Like.
That's right, like. And
Like.
share it with your friends. Share.
Share. All your friends.
Even on Facebook.
Yes. So, that'll make us happy, and we can afford meal for cornbread and fire for our stove. We appreciate you. We'll see you guys.